English, whatever language you are comfortable in, that, and one of your favorite hobbies. What do you like to do in your free time? So type your answers in the chat. Let me see who all do we have here. Yes, hi Ashutosh. We have Abhay also, Suryansh, Lakshya, Utkarsh, Riya. Yes, tell me what grades you are in. What grade? What language you prefer, and what is your favorite hobby? I'll start with my introduction also. Okay. So my name is Trishna. Trishna with a T, not with a K. Everybody keeps calling me Krishna, but Krishna is a boy's name. My name is Trishna, and I am not in any grade anymore because I don't go to school now. And my favorite hobby is playing football. I love playing football. Not the video game wala, this actual ground पे जो खेलते हैं ना, especially rainy season में. Okay. Oh, there is somebody who likes playing badminton. Then dance, all right. 10th standard. Manav is in 10th. Okay, we have somebody from 8th standard, 6th standard. Okay, so I think this is mostly the senior lot. Oh, even Meet likes playing football. Abhigyan also. Areva. You like playing cricket also. Great. Arohi likes dance. And who is this? Kushan likes music. Okay. Oh, Joy likes to play guitar. Areva. So I think we have a lot of different category of people. No, we have some artists, some football sports person, cricket and football. Okay. Ashish is in grade 8. His hobby is playing cricket and preferred language is English. Okay. I can say we have a lot of people who like playing cricket. I'll tell you one incident about me and cricket. You will laugh, but I am so terrible at playing cricket. एक बार मैंने try किया था मेरे friends के साथ, और as usual मुझे भी batting करना था. Okay, मुझे bowling, I don't like bowling that much. It's very boring. I like batting. तो I took the bat. सबसे पहले तो मैंने वो bat उल्टा पकड़ा था. Okay, उसका flat side रहना चाहिए ना आगे. I had put the bat उल्टा, and then मैंने सोचा कि मैं जोर से सिक्सर मारूंगी करके, and वो बैट ही स्लिप हो गया पता है मेरे हाथ से. I was so embarrassed. I am terrible at playing cricket. फिर नेक्स्ट टाइम से तो मुझे लोग बोलने लगे कि तृष्णा तू अगर क्रिकेट खेलेगी ना तो हम लोग सब लोग हेलमेट पहन के आएंगे तेरे लिए. इतना you play it so terribly. Yes, I am so bad at it. Okay. Even Aman's hobby is football. Aditi likes to dance. Areva, very good. Manav's hobby is also cricket. Kushan is in 10th class. He likes to play musical instruments and make animations. Okay. Even I have a very, I feel वो जो artist लोग होते हैं ना, art and drawing and everything, Baba, how do you manage? मैं स्कूल में थी, आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर, ड्राइंग कंपलसरी होता है ना, तुम लोग को भी होगा ना ड्राइंग क्लासेस, ड्राइंग एंड क्राफ्ट करके. सो इन माय टाइम आल्सो आई हैड. यू डोंट हैव ड्राइंग एंड क्राफ्ट इन स्कूल?
यस मिस.
हाँ,
नहीं है.
ओके. मेरे स्कूल में तो था, ड्राइंग कंपलसरी था, और मैं हमेशा आई यूज्ड टू गेट बी ग्रेड, डी ग्रेड, बिकॉज मैं इतना, आई एम सो टेरिबल एट ड्राइंग. इसलिए जो भी ऐसे ड्राइंग वॉइंग करता है ना, आई हैव अ वेरी लाइक, आई जस्ट थिंक दे आर लाइक बहुत ही ग्रेट पीपल. हाँ मानव, इवन आई डोंट लाइक ड्राइंग, आई कांट ड्रॉ ओनली. ठीक है. ओ, आरोही डज एनिमेशंस इन ब्लेंडर एंड ऑल. वाओ. Even Rudrang's hobby is cricket. ठीक है. So I think it is 12:07. Let me just ask if we have to wait for some more time. Otherwise, then we can start. 1 second. Let me just ask. Should we wait for? Okay. So I think we can start. So how is this session going to be today? ठीक है, I want this to be a very interactive session. But since बहुत सारे लोग हैं ना यहाँ पे, तो अगर हम unmute करेंगे ना, तो everything will become मच्छी market. कुछ समझ ही नहीं आएगा कौन क्या बोल रहा है, right? So whenever I ask you any question, उसका answer I want you guys to type in the chat. ठीक है? So all of us are going to be on mute. All the answers we are going to type in the chat. And anything you want to discuss, any doubt you have, कुछ भी problem हो, just type it in the chat. अगर मैंने नहीं reply किया तो at least somebody from the team will reply. Okay. So to start, I just want to highlight a little bit about why coding. So I think इतना तो सबको पता होगा ना कि this is a coding workshop. We are here to learn something about coding, and this is mostly relevant to the higher grade kids जो अभी 9, 10th, 11th, 12th वगैरह में है, क्योंकि अभी इसके आगे you have to choose ना what all career you will have, what stream you will take, and this and that. So this is just a few statistics that I have in front of you कि why coding. सबसे पहले तो coding helps you to understand how to think. मतलब coding is not simply like कुछ you know history, geography जैसा कोई तो subject है कि तुम रट लो and then exam में जाके दे दो. No, coding is actually like solving a lot of puzzles in your head. It is thinking logically कि अरे कुछ तो problem है मेरे सामने, तो इसको मैं कैसे solve करूंगी? How should I approach this problem? कौन सा सोल्यूशन बेटर होगा? ये वाला सोल्यूशन करूं कि ये वाला सोल्यूशन करूं? Which is better? So it is actually a lot of analytical thinking, a lot of logical reasoning. So coding helps you understand how to think. And 90% of the future jobs will require coding skills. I think जैसे आजकल के जमाने में you know everywhere you go इट इज गिवन कि इंग्लिश तो आना चाहिए. कहीं फॉरेन कंट्री में गए या किसी न्यू प्लेस में गए तो ऐसे तो अज्यूम करके जाते हैं ना कि कुछ नहीं तो एटलीस्ट इंग्लिश तो पता होगा इनको करके. सो जैसे आजकल के जॉब्स में इंग्लिश इज अ रिक्वायरमेंट, वैसे 90% ऑफ द फ्यूचर जॉब्स will require coding skills. ऐसे जरूरत नहीं है कि you are like a great coder and एकदम ऐसे hardcore coder. No, but at least basic coding skills will be a requirement. And it is also given that kids with coding skills, they actually earn 80% more than those who don't. So this is just a few stats that I am highlighting at the top. And if I guys tell you to tell me what are the top companies, just tell your answers in the chat कि अभी के 21st century के सबसे बड़े companies कौन से हैं? Which are the top companies of 21st century? क्या क्या दिमाग में आता है when I'm talking about the top companies? Yes, very good, Kushank. Kushank has said Apple, Google, Microsoft. Very good. I can see Apple, Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Tesla, SpaceX. Correct. What are these companies, guys? क्या करते हैं ये companies? These all companies are tech companies, right? ना ही ये कोई, अगर मैं तुमको ये क्वेश्चन 10 साल पहले पूछती या 5 साल पहले पूछती तो शायद तुम बोलते कि यू नो कुछ ऑयल कंपनीज या फिर कुछ कंस्ट्रक्शन कंपनीज. बट अभी के टाइम में 21st सेंचुरी, what are all these big companies? All of them are tech companies which are built by coders. So this itself is proof enough कि how much coding is important in the recent times. So this is just a few pie chart and everything, like for enhancing employability, like 65% have no coding experience and there are 35% only kids who can code. So I will tell you one more thing. What are the top 5 high paying jobs of the future? First is a software development job. Software development matlab making robust software, code करके. साइबर सिक्योरिटी एक्सपर्ट, ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग करते हैं ना हम लोग, वी गिव आवर क्रेडिट कार्ड इंफॉर्मेशन, गूगल पे वगैरह यूज करके पेमेंट वगैरह करते हैं, पूरा बैंक लिंक करते हैं हम लोग. व्हाई डू वी डू इट? भरोसा है ना सिक्योरिटी पे कि बाबा कुछ फ्रॉड होगा नहीं, बराबर से ऑथराइजेशन वगैरह करके देगा. साइबर सिक्योरिटी, वन ऑफ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट जॉब्स. रोबोटिक्स इंजीनियर, अभी पता है ना, आई थिंक अ फ्यू ऑफ यू गाइज हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड मी अबाउट टेस्ला एंड एवरीथिंग. व्हाट इज ऑल दिस? क्रिएटिंग robots, creating self-driving cars, creating human-like machines. That is one very important thing. Then we have user experience or UX designer. इफ आई हैव टू वेबसाइट्स फॉर यू, ठीक है, एक वेबसाइट है जिसपे बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट है बाबा, कुछ कलर वलर अच्छा लग नहीं रहा है, प्लस दी एक्सपीरियंस इज ऑल्सो नॉट वेरी नाइस, बहुत घिची पिची वेबसाइट है. एंड दूसरा वेबसाइट है जो एकदम मेरे लिए ही बनाया है ऐसे लग रहा है, यू नो द कलर स्कीम इज ब्यूटिफुल, द इधर उधर आई कैन इजिली अंडरस्टैंड कि किधर जाके क्या प्रेस करना है, दिस एंड दैट. कौन सा वेबसाइट विल यू चूज? द सेकेंड वन, नो, ऑब्वियसली, विच इज मोर प्रेजेंटेबल, जो ज्यादा इजी है चूज करने में, वर्क करने में, राइट? सो दैट इज अबाउट यूजर एक्सपीरियंस. यस कुशांक, द वन विद द बेटर GUI. सो यूजर एक्सपीरियंस मतलब डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर यूजर्स, कि तुम्हारा यूजर को क्या चाहिए, कैसा दिखना चाहिए वेबसाइट, कैसा दिखना चाहिए प्रोडक्ट, वैसे यू विल मेक योर products. Then there is data analyst. This is also one of another high paying jobs of the future. And if you see all of these jobs, all these are related to coding. All of these are related to coding. Yes. Okay. I can see a few of you have still not switched on your camera. So it's okay. Don't feel conscious and just keep your camera on so I can also see all of you. I don't like taking lectures with ऐसे blank screens, no. क्लासरूम होता तो और भी मजा आता, बट अभी सब ऑनलाइन हो गया है तो क्या ही करें. तो एटलीस्ट कीप योर वीडियोस ऑन, नो, सो आई कैन ऑल्सो सी यू. ओके, ठीक है. सो सिंस आई थिंक आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू व्हाई वी आर हियर, आई वांट यू टू गेस वन कॉमन स्किल दैट दीज टू पीपल हैव. सबसे पहले तो आई थिंक आयरन मैन को कोई इंट्रोडक्शन की जरूरत है नहीं. आई थिंक everybody loves Iron Man. Who loves Iron Man? Raise your hand. He's my favorite. I love Iron Man. Yes, I can see participants raising their hand. Perfect, good. And उसके पीछे ही उसका robot is also there. I don't know the name of that robot. I think उसके each robot का कुछ तो नाम रहता है ना Iron Man के.
Miss, that is its suit.
That is the suit. हाँ, that is the suit. Mark 3. Okay. See, मुझे पता था, मैं ये पूछूंगी, किसी ना किसी को तो पता होगा ही, मुझे इतना नहीं पता, but yeah, I know that is the suit, but robot जैसा. Okay.
Iron Man real name is Tony Stark.
Tony Stark, correct. Okay, so Kushan is saying कि they are both best at thinking. The first picture, I don't know if you guys know it. I think जो लोग books वगैरह पढ़ते होंगे ना, उनको पता होगा. It is Sherlock Holmes. किसको पता है Sherlock Holmes? मुझे पता है. Sherlock Holmes is also my favorite. So Sherlock Holmes is actually a detective. मतलब he is a fictional character and he is a detective. Detective पता है ना क्या करते हैं? कुछ ऐसे.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, ठीक है. Those who don't know, I'm telling you, he is a detective and he is also a very smart detective. So what is the one common thing which is common in both Sherlock Holmes also and Iron Man also? Just guess. What is the skills that they have जो दोनों में भी common है? And guys, you can keep your hands down if you have raised your hand. Type in the chat. Okay, Ashish is saying thinking skills. Ayush is saying intelligence. Correct. They are both intelligent. Correct.
And
so I think you.
It's good.
Yes. So I think you're getting the gist of it, right? दोनों में भी क्या है? Intelligence से ज़्यादा mind power. Correct. Plus problem solving skills, right? कि अभी what is the detective going to do? उसके पास कुछ puzzles है ऐसे कि बाबा I have this theory कि ऐसा हो सकता है या फिर ऐसा हो सकता है. I have this clue. मुझे ये मिला था वो साइट पे. How will I connect this to that? What will be the whole story behind it? Similar with Iron Man, no? कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हुआ, कुछ भी you know the Avengers come to him कि हमको अभी टाइम मशीन बनाना है, तो देन ही स्टार्ट्स ना, उसके दिमाग उसका चलने लग जाता है कि ठीक है, दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम, टाइम मशीन बनाना है, कैसे बनाओ, क्या क्या लगेगा. Guys, let's all be on mute. 1 second. I'll just mute everybody. Okay, 1 second. I can background noise. Okay. Okay. So again, he wants to make a time machine. The Avengers want to make a time machine, and then he will be like, okay, this is the problem statement. What are the steps that I will do? How will I solve this problem? Thinking logically, analytically. So problem solving skills, logical reasoning, analytical thinking, all these are the skills which are common in both of these. And these are the skills which we are also going to learn today. Okay. So before I start, I want to take a fun little quiz. Okay, so this is like related to some general knowledge, technical knowledge kind of quiz. So my first question is, which tech buzzword is closely related to artificial intelligence? Ajkal, we were talking about Tesla and Alexa and all of this. If you know, just type it in the chat. Which tech buzzword is closely related to artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence का एक छोटा सा part है. Okay, Alexa, yes, correct. Tesla car, your Cortana, okay. ठीक है. So you guys are giving me examples of artificial intelligence. मुझे चाहिए what is the word which is closely related to. Yes, Arav said machine learning. Manav, Kushan, correct. That is what I was looking for. Yes, Vibhuti. Machine learning. So what is this machine learning and artificial intelligence? It is like making interactive human-like robots and machines, right? टेस्ला के बारे में तो पता है ना. Who would love to have a Tesla? My God, मेरा तो सपना है कि कहीं से तो मुझे टेस्ला मिल जाए. Yes, I can see many people raising their hands. एक तो I am so bad at driving. मुझे तो ड्राइवर्स लाइसेंस मिलने से रहा. तो अगर मेरा टेस्ला होगा ना, आराम से I can just go sit in the car, बैक सीट पे बैठूंगी and I'll just tell my car कि listen, I am hungry, मुझे मैकडॉनल्ड्स लेके चलो. And what will happen? The car will drive itself, guys. ड्राइवर ही नहीं लगता वो कार में, ऑटोमेटिकली चलता है. हमको बस पैसेंजर सीट में बैठना होता है और वो कार ऑटोमेटिकली चलेगा एंड इट विल टेक यू. अगर ये मैं 10 साल पहले देखती ना तो ऐसे लगता कुछ भूत भूत बैठा है कार में, कार कैसे चल रहा है अकेले. नाउ वी आर नॉट सरप्राइज्ड बाय इट, नो. नाउ इट इज लाइक, कैन यू इमेजिन हाउ एडवांस्ड आवर टेक्नोलॉजी हैज बिकम. कि तुमको ड्राइविंग नहीं आता, ठीक है बाबा, तुम बैठो आराम से पीछे. ड्राइविंग करने का मन भी नहीं है तो भी नो प्रॉब्लम, आराम से बैठो पीछे. गाड़ी को बोलो कि आई वांट टू गो टू मैकडॉनल्ड्स एंड द कार विल ड्राइव इटसेल्फ. हाउ इज दिस हैपनिंग? व्हाई इज दिस हैपनिंग? बिकॉज वी हैव कोडेड इट, नो. किसी प्रोग्रामर ने, प्रोग्रामर मतलब हु? You and I, all of us together, what we are going to be doing today, we are going to be programmers today, right? So we are going to give instructions to the computer. हमने वो कंप्यूटर को, हमने वो मशीन को बताया है कि देखो अगर रेड सिग्नल आया ना तो वो रेड सिग्नल को डिटेक्ट करो एंड यू स्टॉप द कार. ग्रीन सिग्नल हुआ तो कार स्टार्ट करके आगे चले जाओ. अगर तुमको कहीं आजू बाजू में कोई गाड़ी का सेंस हुआ तो रुको, ठोको मत. So can you imagine? And even Alexa and all ना, किसके किसके पास Alexa है? मेरे पास है घर पे Alexa. The छोटा सा, it's like a personal assistant, no? मुझे मम्मी बोलती है तृष्णा चलो रूम साफ करो, रूम साफ करो. तो मैं बस एलेक्सा को बोल देती हूँ एलेक्सा चलो एटलीस्ट प्ले सम सॉन्ग. तो एलेक्सा मस्त में जोर जोर से शी प्लेज सॉन्ग्स ऑन द स्पीकर और मैं गाना सुन सुन के आई कीप क्लीनिंग माय रूम. व्हाट इज दिस? एलेक्सा इज आल्सो एन एग्जांपल ऑफ अ पर्सनल chatbot, a personal bot, a personal assistant, right? Machine learning, it is a machine which is listening to all your commands and जैसे तुम चाहे वैसे वो reply कर रहा है. Okay, yes, so I think this we know. Okay, who will tell me this? हाँ रक्षित, टेस्ला में सेंसर्स होते हैं ना, बिना सेंसर्स के वो कार को कैसे पता चलेगा किधर जाना है या कोई आजू बाजू में ठोकने वाला हो तो. Okay, my second question is, what was the first programming language available? Kushan is saying Fortran, Ayush is saying HTML, Vivek is saying C++. Patanjal, Sanskrit is not a programming language. So this is a good question. What is a programming language? I can see many people are saying C++, Java. Manav, Nishu are saying Fortran. You can take help of your parents also. चलो इतना भी मैंने तुमको freedom दे दिया कि आजू बाजू में if your parents are sitting ना, you can ask them also. अच्छा, Raina is saying, Raina तीनों दे दिए तुमने आंसर. I just want one first programming language available. Vibhuti Bhavna is saying Fortran. Okay, so let us see what is the correct answer. And yes, so the first programming language available was actually Fortran. Now, what is this programming language? Programming language matlab language of the computer. The language in which we can communicate with the computer. Computer is a machine in the end. Computer is not a human. और वो मशीन को इंग्लिश नहीं समझ आता. If you start talking to computer in English language, no, computer will be like, hi Ram, what is this person doing? ये क्या बड़बड़ आ रहा है? मुझे कुछ इंग्लिश समझ नहीं आ रहा है. This is a very high level language for me. प्लीज थोड़ा लो लेवल लैंग्वेज में बात करो, मुझे समझेगा ऐसे कुछ बात करो. कंप्यूटर को क्या समझता है पता है? 0 and 1. That's it. किस किस को आता है 0 and 1 में बात करने के लिए? Who all knows how to talk in 0 1? If I just say 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 0, कुछ समझ में आ रहा है क्या? No, right? 0 and 1 में हमको नहीं बात करने आता. कंप्यूटर को समझता है सिर्फ 0 and 1. Yes, Meet, Arab, binary. 0 and 1 मतलब binary language. Yes, that is what the computer understands. And we don't know how to talk in binary. We know how to talk in English. Computer does not know how to talk in English. तो फिर बात कैसे करेंगे? Using programming language. So programming language is like a intermediate language. कि मतलब English से थोड़ा कम and binary से थोड़ा ऊपर, जो दोनों को भी समझ में आता है. We can learn the programming language and we can give instructions in programming language, and computer वो पढ़ के उसके 0 and 1 में convert करके खुद समझ जाएगा. Okay, so yes. Okay, so this was that. So this also you answered correctly. My next question and my last question for the technical quiz: which was the first company to develop graphics card? Now, what is this graphics card? Yes, okay. Manav is saying IBM. Okay, Rena is saying IBM. Arohi, Meet, all of you are saying IBM. ठीक है, तो let us see. ये वाला आंसर तो बाबा everybody is giving correct. Let's see if it's correct or not. Yes. So the first company to develop graphics card was IBM. Graphics तो we like, no, playing video games and everything. Do you like playing 2D games or 3D games and with games with a lot of graphics and everything? If you have better graphics, then only you like playing that game. No? What are your favorite video games that you like to play? I play Temple Run is the name, I think. Temple Run and okay, PUBG, Ghost of Tsushima. My God. Oh, Minecraft, Free Fire, PS5. Okay. I don't know all these names. मुझे बहुत कम पता है. I know Roblox. मेरे कुछ students ने मुझे Roblox के बारे में बताया था. वो भी मुझे पता नहीं था. I think Roblox में बहुत सारे different games होते हैं ना. हाँ, Sanvi also likes playing Temple Run. मुझे भी Temple Run पसंद है. All right. ठीक है. So this was about your technical knowledge या फिर general knowledge kind of thing. Now let us try and understand your fun quotient. So I can already see you guys have a lot of fun quotient also, and you guys do a lot of masti maza also by the kind of games that you play and the hobbies that you have. So tell me, how many of you have played this game? Subway Surfers. Subway Surfers I have played. ठीक है. Don't tell me if you have played the game or not. If you have played the game, just tell me what is the high score in your game. मैं मेरा high score बोलूँगी ना, you guys will be very surprised. I got 200 coins. My high score was 200. What was your high score? मानव, गलती से ज़्यादा zeros डाल दिए तुमने. What is this? My God, what are you guys saying? हाँ, अभिज्ञान का 300 था. Harsh got 400. Priyanshi got 1000. Baapre. What? So much? कैसे तुमको इतने coins मिले? I am thinking 200 को कोई beat नहीं कर सकता. 200 is a very big score. And you guys are तो gamers, huh? Baapre. Okay, I can already see a few of you have again turned your videos on. Guys, what is it with you and keeping your video off? It's okay. You don't have to be all good looking and this and that. It's a Sunday morning. It's okay. Keep your videos on. We'll have a lot of fun. Let me see you guys also now. What is this one-sided talk? Come on, keep your videos on, everyone. Okay. Rudransh got 5,000. 23,000 Ayush. बार बार खेल के. Okay, मैं तो 10 मिनट में आउट हो गई थी. इसलिए you guys are getting so much of score. You must be playing what? आधा एक घंटा continuously, no? नहीं तो इतना तुम points नहीं मिलेगा. हाँ, yes. I can see Tanishka and her sister are nodding their heads. Yes. मुझे तो 10 मिनट के अंदर ही I get out. Okay, so ठीक है. There are 3 things that are happening in 3 of these pictures. I want you to guess what is the one common thing which is happening in all the 3. So I can see first picture में the 2 cars are crashing. So मतलब accident हो रहा है. Oh, Ayush has already typed it. Kushan has also typed it. Raina, yes. Manav, correct. It is like attaching 2 things. Matlab, not friction. It's collision, no? What is happening? First picture में, the 2 cars are coming in contact with each other, right? एक दूसरे से टकरा रहे हैं. Second picture में, what is happening? The palms of your hands, they are coming in contact. Clap करते वक्त, it's touching each other, no? And third picture, तो I think everybody will know this. It's the new handshake, no? Corona wala handshake. Abhi we can't shake our hands like this. Okay, this is not allowed. Sanitize, sanitize, sanitize. No touching here and there. So they are wearing the mask and wo elbow to elbow wala handshake kar rahe, right? So what is happening in all the 3? Collision is happening, correct? So what is collision? Collision is actually an encounter between 2 or more objects. मतलब in simple terms, when 2 or more objects come in contact with each other, एक दूसरे से टकरा जाना, एक दूसरे के contact में आना, means they are colliding with each other, right? So now, let us go back to the previous slide and I want all of you guys to wear your coding ka hat. So wear your coding hat, wear your logic ka hat and tell me, how do you think is this Subway Surfers ka game created? ठीक है. So Subway Surfers में I will give you a hint. I have given instruction to the computer. जब मेरा player, who is the player? ये जो लड़का है ना, वो हुडी पहन के घूम रहा है. So I have given instruction to the computer कि when my player is colliding with any of the objects, I will either win the game or I will lose the game. So Subway Surfers का गेम भी कोलिजन के ऊपर बेस्ड है, कोलिजन के प्रिंसिपल के ऊपर बेस्ड है. अब मुझे एक बात बताओ, सबवे सर्फर्स में कोलिजन किधर किधर होता है? कोलिजन का मतलब समझाना, एक दूसरे से टकरा जाना, कमिंग इन कॉन्टैक्ट विद ईच अदर. सो सबवे सर्फर्स में यस, मानव इज सेइंग ट्रेन एंड बॉय का कोलिजन होता है. आशुतोष इज आल्सो सेइंग ट्रेन. यस, लक्ष्य इज आल्सो सेइंग ट्रेन. Very good. Abhigyan is saying train. Tirth is saying obstacles also. वो जो बैरियर है ना, ये वाला रेड कलर का बीच में, उसके ऊपर से उसको कूदी मारना होता है. अगर उससे भी टकरा गया तो भी वो आउट हो जाएगा ना. हाँ, करेक्ट. वॉल, बैरियर, करेक्ट. आई थिंक इवन पुलिस ना, पुलिस भी तो होता है ना. पुलिस के साथ अगर कोलाइड कर गया, अगर पुलिस ने वो प्लेयर को पकड़ लिया तो भी टाई फिश पुलिस. एंड आई थिंक पुलिस का डॉग भी होता है, राइट? सो दैट मीन्स मैंने कंप्यूटर को क्या इंस्ट्रक्शन दे के रखा है? इफ माई प्लेयर इज कोलाइडिंग विद द ट्रेन और द बैरियर और द पुलिस डॉग, ये सारे लोगों से अगर मेरा प्लेयर कोलाइड कर गया, इफ ही कम्स इन कॉन्टैक्ट विथ एनी ऑफ दीज, तो मैं बोलूंगी टाई टाई फिश, यू लॉस्ट द गेम, करेक्ट? एंड मुझे कोई बताएगा हाउ आर वी विनिंग द गेम? कंप्यूटर को कैसे पता चलेगा इफ आई एम विनिंग द गेम? स्कोर कैसे इंक्रीज होता है? किसके साथ कोलिजन होता है? इफ माई प्लेयर कोलाइड्स विथ समथिंग, माई स्कोर इज इंक्रीजिंग. व्हाट इज दैट थिंग with which my player is colliding? यहाँ पे वीडियो में भी हो रहा है. Correct, Meet? Yes, it is the coins, right? Collision with the coins. Yes, Akshita, Utkarsh, correct. So can you see when my player is colliding with the coins, what is happening? My score is increasing. वो coin मेरे बैट में collect होता है and my score is increasing. I think there is one more thing ना, वो power ups करके भी होता है ना, कुछ ऐसे वो jumping boots मिलते हैं या फिर वो रॉकेट जैसा कुछ तो मिलता है कि ऐसे जुफ करके यू गो एकदम फास्ट. सो इवन दैट अगर उसके साथ भी कोलाइड हो गया, हाँ यस मानव, मैग्नेट भी होता है, अगर उसके साइड भी कोलाइड हो गया तो व्हाट इज द कंप्यूटर सेइंग? जेट पैक, करेक्ट, मैग्नेट्स एंड शूज. So when we are colliding with all of this also, what is the computer saying? The computer is saying very good, keep it up. So you are winning the game. Now understood how the game is created? Itna you have played, itna you have made your high scores. Now did you understand ये game बनाया कैसे है? Just on the simple principle of collision detection, कि अगर मेरा player ट्रेन से कोलाइड कर गया तो आई विल से टाई टाई फिश, यू लॉस्ट द गेम. अगर मेरा प्लेयर कॉइन से कोलाइड कर गया तो आई विल से वाह रे वाह, यू आर विनिंग द गेम. ग्रेट. सो टुडे व्हाट आई हैव इन स्टोर, अंकित, दैट ओनली वी आर लर्निंग नाउ. सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर कैसे बनता है, यही सब करके बनता है ना, कंप्यूटर का इंस्ट्रक्शंस देके. ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न टुडे. सो टुडे आई हैव अ वेरी interesting project in store for you and we are going to create this project. Okay, so I have a robot and I have a coin, and जैसे subway surfers में coin collect करते हैं ना, वैसे we are going to collect coin over here as well. Okay, what I will do is, अच्छा, one thing that is there is ये जो link में share project वाला link जिसपे हम create करेंगे, जिसपे हम code करेंगे, this link will open only in your laptop या फिर कंप्यूटर या फिर टैबलेट, आईपैड, टैबलेट्स वगैरह पे ओपन होगा. मोबाइल फोन पे इट विल नॉट ओपन. सो एवरीबडी हु इज ऑन मोबाइल फोन, व्हाट यू कैन डू इज, मैं जो लिंक शेयर कर रही हूँ वो लिंक को एक बार किसी नोटपैड में या व्हाट्सएप पे कहीं तो सेव कर दो, सो दैट बाद में व्हेन यू हैव योर लैपटॉप और कंप्यूटर तो तुम खुद बैठ के कर सकते हो. Okay, so I am sharing this link in the chat. One second. Huh. Okay, and I want all of you guys to open this link. So you can just click on this link और वो open हो जाएगा, या फिर अगर click करके open नहीं हो रहा है तो उसको copy paste करके एक tab में open करो. Preferably open it in Google Chrome. Chrome नहीं तो फिर Opera रहेगा तो उसमें भी कर सकते हो. So once you open this link, just give me a thumbs up so that I know we can move on. Guys, it will not open on your mobile phones. It will open on desktop or laptop or tablet. या फिर iPad वगैरह में open हो जाएगा. Yes, Arav has opened it. Yes, Riya also opened it. Very good. Kushan, Surpreet. ठीक है. Okay. Kishan, Kushan. Okay. So I can see, so this platform which we are using is hatxr.com. Now this platform is developed and maintained by Camk12 itself. Our team has only created this platform for you guys and it is free to use for everybody. Okay? So ending me, we will register, login and everything to save the project. I'm just saying it is for home use, it is free to use. You can explore this yourself also. Okay. So when I open this website, when I open this platform, I can see there are three main tabs which are there at the top. So this is like we are creating a project of our own. We are creating a game of our own. And there are three tabs in the middle. There is design, there is code, and there is play. Now I want you guys to tell me कि design के अंदर क्या हो सकता है. You can already see ना यहाँ पे मैं design tab के अंदर हूँ and this is what my design looks like. So think of this as making a game of your own and just type in the chat what you think कि design के अंदर क्या हो सकता है. अगर तुम अपना कोई game बना रहे हो, if you're making some project of your own, what do you think is there in the design? Okay, for everybody who can't open it on mobile or anything, it's okay guys, don't worry. ये link से कहीं तो save करके रख लो. This is still going to be a very interactive session. You are only going to help me to create the project. So you can concentrate on this also. Okay, creating the game. Running the game, not necessarily Manav. We are not running the game over in the design. So Shan is saying it's a canvas for the game. So Preet is saying the graphics. Okay. और बड़े बड़े words use कर रहे हैं सब लोग. Yes, Aruni is also saying graphics. Nidhi is saying connecting what did you say? Sandy, you can open it in tab also. Ashish is saying the layout, graphic, canvas, the design. Yes, Mohit, correct. So basically, design में क्या क्या होगा? It will just tell me the look and feel of the game, right? कि मेरा game कैसे दिखना चाहिए? What are the objects that are going to be there in this game? Yes, Aruni, this is me. I'll send you the link again. Wait. Okay. So design में क्या क्या होगा? The look and feel of the game, right? How is my game going to look like? कैसे क्या क्या होना चाहिए? तो मेरे डिजाइन में मैंने क्या किया? मैंने ऐसे स्नो वाले माउंटेन्स क्रिएट किए हैं. I have taken a box. उसके ऊपर I have kept a point and I have kept this robot करके a robot वाला person. So this is the design of my game. Plus मैंने sky कैसे बनाया है? Sky में मैंने थोड़ा blue sky करके बनाया है. Correct माना, mountains are there. All this is there. So this is the design of your game. The look and feel of the game. कि तुम्हारे गेम में what all objects are going to be there. तुम वो ऑब्जेक्ट्स को कहाँ पे रखोगे? तुम्हारा बैकग्राउंड कैसे दिखना चाहिए? तुम्हारा ग्राउंड कैसे दिखना चाहिए? तुमको कुछ साउंड इफेक्ट्स डालने हैं, तुमको कुछ एनिमेशन डालने हैं. The look and feel of your game will be in the design. ठीक है? The second part is the code part. Can anybody tell me what will be there in the code? तो डिजाइन में मैंने डिजाइन बना के रखा, मैंने ऑब्जेक्ट्स को इधर उधर बना के रखा, मैंने पूरा बैकग्राउंड सब सेट करके रखा. अभी कोडिंग के पार्ट में what do you think is there in the code? Very good, Kushan. Kushan has said we give instructions to the computer he what to do with the input. Correct, right? सिर्फ डिजाइन करके थोड़ी ना गेम खेलेंगे. इंस्ट्रक्शन भी तो दे के रखता है ना कंप्यूटर को. सबवे सर्फर का गेम डाल है, सिर्फ डिजाइन नहीं था ना. जब कोलिजन होता था तब तुम्हारा स्कोर इंक्रीज हो रहा था, साउंड प्ले हो रहा था. करेक्ट रक्षित, अभिज्ञान, अब वेरी गुड. सो वी आर गिविंग इंस्ट्रक्शंस टू द कंप्यूटर. अभी मेरे गेम में मैं क्या इंस्ट्रक्शन दूंगी कि ये जो robot है, if this robot is colliding with a coin, I will do some tasks. कुछ तो इंस्ट्रक्शन लेके रखूंगी कि अगर ये रोबोट ये मेरा होस्ट भी है, I have created a host over here also. If this robot is colliding with a host, then maybe he is of the game, whatever is the instructions of the game, all that I will do in my code. And what is there in play? Play तो सबका favorite है. Yes, very good, Abhay. To play the game, right? So how will we play the game? जैसे normal video games खेलते हैं वैसे we can play this also. So using your arrow keys, I can go front, back, left, and right. I can press the space bar to jump. And I can even use WASD. I think all the gaming people will use WASD keys also. So these are the normal keys with which you can control your game. ठीक है? Technically, if I want to explain play में क्या होगा? Play में whatever it will be the actual output, correct? डिजाइन में तुमने जो भी डिजाइन करके रखा एंड कोडिंग में तुमने जो भी इंस्ट्रक्शंस दे के रखा, दोनों मिला के ऐसे लिखा है व्हाट इज योर एक्चुअल आउटपुट दैट यू विल सी इन द प्ले टैब, करेक्ट? ओके, सो व्हाट आई वांट यू गाइस टू डू नाउ इज, ओके, आई विल रिपीट इट वन मोर टाइम. गाइस, तुम्हारा ये लिंक मोबाइल फोन में ओपन नहीं होगा. So if you are on mobile phone, just be active in the chat and help us create the game. ठीक है? If you are on laptop, desktop या फिर tablet, उस पे open हो जाएगा ये. Mobile phone पे it will not open. So all those who are on mobile phone, keep giving me a thumbs up or keep giving me your inputs as and when you understand things, or if you don't understand things, just type it in the chat. ठीक है? So now I have 3 tasks for you guys. I have 3 challenges for you guys. There is a bronze level challenge, a silver level challenge, and a gold level challenge. Okay. My bronze level challenge is this. I want to change the color of the text using code. I want to change the color of the text message using code. That means what I want to happen is when this robot coin, very design में, if you can see, I have a robot also, I have a coin also. Let me show you once again. So guys, this takes a little time to load because this maybe we are using a lot of 3D graphics. Guys, whoever are on the mobile, you can either note down everything on a notebook or something, or you can just pay attention to what we are doing and do it, complete it later on when you get your laptop or desktop. ठीक है? Okay. So when this robot is colliding with this coin, I want the color of the text message to change. तो सबसे पहले मुझे ये बात बताओ, if I want to give some instruction to the computer, उन्हें कौन से टैब में डालना चाहिए? डिजाइन में जाके कुछ करूँ, कोड में करूँ या फिर प्ले में करूँ? Okay, Shan is saying code. Anna is also saying code. Correct. Let's go to code. I want to give instructions to the computer, right? So I will go to the code. Yes, Shreya, Laksha, Sudri, very good. So in the code, can you see यहाँ पे वो coins का color दिख रहा है? एक yellow color का text है coins करके. मुझे ये yellow color पसंद नहीं है. I want when it is colliding with the coin, I want to change this color to red color or whatever color you like. So how will I do it? In the code, left hand side bottom, there is something called as scene specific layers. If you go to scene specific layers and if you scroll down, there is an option for coin. I will click on coin and I will select the first option in the effects, which says detect collisions with. As soon as I click on that, a piece of code will be added in my workspace. Okay. Now make sure whenever you are adding anything like this, left hand side select करके जब click कर रहे हो, make sure your cursor is on the correct position, because जिधर तुम्हारा cursor रहेगा ना, उधर तो पूरा code add हो जाएगा. ठीक है? I'll repeat it once again. We are on code, left hand side bottom, in scene specific layers, I scrolled down, I clicked on coin, and I selected the first option called detect collision state. फिर इसके अंदर I have this grey color का lines. I'm just removing these grey color का lines. I don't need those. Okay. I want to detect the collision of the coin with the robot, right? Box या cylinder तो है ही नहीं मेरे पास. So ये square brackets के अंदर I will just remove this cylinder and box. Instead of this, I will just type robot with a capital R. When I start typing, automatically suggest करता है. So यहाँ पे आ गया robot. And I will put my cursor over here. Okay. So what is the meaning of this line which I have wrote just now? When my coin is colliding with the robot, do some task. This is what I'm telling my computer. कि ये coin का अगर robot के साथ collision हो गया, तो कुछ तो task करो. What is the task that I want to do? That I will write it over here inside this open and close curly brackets. The task is वो जो text message है उसका color मुझे change करना है, right? Okay, one second. Messages. Yes. ठीक है. So I will put my cursor over here. Make sure your cursor is inside this detect collisions वाला block. I will put my cursor over here. And अभी मुझे क्या करना है? वो जो text message है उसका color change करना है. I want to set the color, right? So again, I will go to my left hand side button and see specific layers. And I will select this points score. It T करके है. T stands for text message. I will click on this points score. Then there is events. There is vectors. And if you scroll down even more, there is setters. Setters में जाके एकदम नीचे fourth last option is set color. I will click on this set color and by default वो मुझे red color देगा. I am okay with red color. If you want any other color, just write that in place of red. But make sure you are writing it inside the single quotation. Now what I will do is I will click on this run script. Top यहाँ पे बाजू में there is this light green color का button called run script. I will just click on run script and just see what happens. So now I am going to press space and I am going to make my robot jump and see what happened. As soon as I collided with the coin, the robot and coin का collision होते ही मेरे text का color change हो गया, right? It got changed to red color. So this was my bronze level challenge. So all those who have done this, who have completed this, and all those who are on mobile phone and who have understood this, just write I want my bronze medal in the chat. Let me see मुझे किस किस को bronze medal लेना है. Okay. Sandy just say I want my bronze medal. Yes. Shanti. Nishu. Okay. So I can see a lot of people wanting their bronze medals. Understood how we did it? सबसे पहले तो I just took a collision detection का block. Yes, Hardik Manav. Yes. So I am just detecting a coin and robot. अब जैसे ही collision हो जाए, मैंने एक instruction दे के रखा है कि collision होते ही वो coin का color को red color कर दो. Okay. This was my bronze level challenge. इसके बाहर there is one more thing that will happen. तो coin गायब भी तो होना चाहिए, right? Coin मुझे वहाँ पे नहीं दिखना है. जैसे ही collision हो जाए, I want to make the coin also invisible. So this is my silver level challenge. How will you make the coin invisible? अभी ये वाला तुम मुझे help करोगे. Okay, now you tell me what to do. Okay. Kushan, I don't want to destroy the coin. You can do that as well. But I just want to make it invisible for now. Okay. So सबसे पहले I will take my cursor on the next line. And with जाके press enter and come to the next line. Make sure your cursor is in the correct place. अगर cursor तुम इधर उधर कहीं को डालोगे ना तो तुम्हारा कोड उधर ऐड हो जाएगा तो पूरा बीच बीच हो जाएगा. Okay. So coins dot set color के बाद on the next line what I will do is coin का visibility मुझे false करना है. So again in the left hand side bottom in C specific layers I will scroll down. I will click on coin. Then there is events, there is getters, then there is setters. I will go to setters and setters में जाके यहाँ पे I have an option of set visible. I will click on set visible. Okay. Now can anybody tell me if I want to make the coin invisible? Should I set it as true or should I set it as false? ये यहाँ पे जैसे मैंने सिलेक्ट किया बाय डिफॉल्ट यहाँ पे ट्रू आ गया. ओके तो शान इज सेइंग फॉल्स. नीड विशांकिनी इज सेइंग फॉल्स. ठीक है. ओके व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स? आई वांट टू मेक अ कॉइन इनविजिबल. तो मैं उसको सेट विजिबल ट्रू करूँ कि सेट विजिबल फॉल्स करूँ? मानव भावना ओके ऑलराइट सो लेट्स डू इट. So ये true निकाल दिए. I am just making it false. ठीक है. Now if I click on this run script, ये green color का button, I will click on that run script and now let us check what happens. अभी मैंने दो instruction दे के रखा है कि जैसे ही वो collision हो जाए पहले तो तुम वो text का color red बना दो and second is वो coin का visibility false कर दो. So now let us see if it is working or not. So I am jumping and perfect. Did you see what happened? जैसे ही my robot came in contact with the coin, जैसे ही वो collision हो गया, the text message का color got changed to red and the coin became invisible. Yes, very good, Mana. Okay, so everybody who has completed this and everybody who has understood this, just type I bought my silver medal in the chat. Let's see. Silver किसको चाहिए? Shan, Manav, yes. What about others? Me. Okay. Aman, Vivek. Dakshit, you can just say I want my silver medal. I am confident you will do it yourself also. Yes, Aditi, very good. Okay, very good. We have quite a few people doing it. Great. Okay. Now we have our सबसे last challenge and one big challenge, which is the gold level challenge. Okay. Now my gold level challenge is I want to increase the score, right? सिर्फ कॉइन को इनविजिबल करके क्या ही मिलेगा तुम्हें? अगर स्कोर ही नहीं बढ़ाया तुमने तो व्हाट्स द पॉइंट? आई विल आई प्ले योर गेम स्कोर नहीं किया तो यस प्रशांत वेरी गुड. So what we will do first is सबसे पहले we will create a box. तो स्कोर जो है ना वो मुझे किसी बॉक्स में स्टोर करके रखना है. Even in my computer also needs some storage ना, कुछ स्कोर स्टोर करके रखना हो या कुछ स्टोर करके रखना हो. I need a box ना जिसके अंदर I can just fill everything I need. So how will I do it? I will go on my line number 1. At the start of my code, I will go to line number 1 and I will just type VAR and then score. What is this VAR? VAR means you are creating a variable. Yes, what is a variable? Variable means a box or a container जिसके अंदर you can store some value. तो मैंने एक कंटेनर बनाया है and name of that container is score. अभी मुझे कोई तो बताओ फर्स्ट लाइन पे लाइन नंबर 1 मतलब मेरा अभी तक मेरा गेम स्टार्ट हुआ नहीं है तो स्कोर का वैल्यू क्या रहेगा? व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ स्कोर? मैं क्या लिखूं यहाँ पे? स्कोर इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? प्रशांत इज सेइंग 0. रक्षित, अंकित, लक्ष्य, भावना. ओके करेक्ट वेरी गुड. स्टार्टिंग में तो स्कोर का वैल्यू क्या रहेगा? 0 रहेगा ना. 0 से स्टार्ट करेंगे हम एंड जैसे जैसे कॉइंस मिलेगा वैसे वैसे we will increase the score. So here I will just write our score is equal to 0. That's it. So what is this line? ये क्या इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया मैंने? where score is equal to 0 मतलब मैंने कंप्यूटर को बोला कि तुम एक बकेट बनाओ, तुम एक बॉक्स क्रिएट करो, वो बॉक्स का नाम स्कोर करके दे दो और वो बॉक्स के अंदर तुम 0 स्टोर करो. ठीक है? Yes. Now what I want to do is when the collision happens, मतलब यहाँ पे लाइन नंबर 9 पे मैं आऊंगी, मेरे यहाँ पे लाइन नंबर 9 है, तुम्हारा कोई भी लाइन हो सकता है, मतलब ये सेट विजिबल के बाद में एंड में जाके जस्ट प्रेस एंटर. यहाँ पे what is the thing that I am going to do? I am going to increase the score. जब मेरा प्लेयर, जब मेरा रोबोट वो पॉइंट से टकरा जाएगा तब मुझे स्कोर इंक्रीज करना है. कितने मार्क्स दूं मैं? 10 पॉइंट्स दूं क्या? कितने पॉइंट्स चाहिए तुमको? 1 पॉइंट आई थिंक थोड़ा कम हो जाएगा. कितने पॉइंट्स चाहिए? कितने दे हम? Amana is saying 5, Amana is saying 10. I think 10 दे देते हैं ना, क्योंकि एक ही कॉइन है हमारे पास, तो 10 दे देते हैं. ठीक है. So what will I type over here? I will just say score is equal to score plus 10. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? वो जो स्कोर का डब्बा है ना, मैं क्या करूंगी? तो डब्बे में से स्कोर निकालूंगी, उसमें 10 ऐड करूंगी एंड उसको वापस उसी डब्बे में स्टोर करके रखूंगी. है ना? So now I have added 10 marks over here. I have added 10 points in the score. The last thing that I want to do is I actually want to display it ना. मैंने तो internally add करके रख दिया points. But मेरे player को भी तो दिखना चाहिए कि points कितने हैं उसके पास. So on the next line, after doing score is equal to score plus 10, on the next line, I will again go to my left hand side in scene specific layers. And I will click on this points score. तो T करके जो है ना, that T stands for text message. I will click on the points score. Then there is events, getters, setters. I will go to setters and I will set the text. I will click on set text. And instead of mushroom, I don't want mushroom. मैं mushroom निकाल दूँगी. Mushroom नहीं चाहिए मुझे. Instead of this, I can just write score is equal to. So anything that I write inside the single quotes, वो वैसे का वैसे print हो जाएगा. Okay. And this variable, इसके अंदर का value मुझे print करना है. So how will I do it? After this single quote, I will just write plus and I will write score again. Okay. So what I have done for my whole level challenge, I created a dabba. I created a variable in which I am storing the score. And तुम लोग ने मुझे बताया कि स्टार्टिंग में स्कोर 0 होगा, इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे स्टार्टिंग में स्कोर का वैल्यू 0 दे दिया. उसके बाद इनसाइड माय कोलिजन डिटेक्शन का ब्लॉक मैंने 2 चीजें किया. सबसे पहले मैंने स्कोर को इंक्रीज किया by 10 एंड उसको वापस उसी बॉक्स में स्टोर कर दिया. एंड सेकंड, मैंने टेक्स्ट मैसेज को सेट किया है कि स्कोर इज इक्वल टू एंड देन प्लस करके व्हाटएवर इज द स्कोर. ओके. सो नाउ इफ आई क्लिक ऑन दिस run the script, let us check what happens. Now I am just pressing space and jumping and perfect. Can you see? All my 3 tasks got performed. No? सबसे पहले तो वो कलर टेक्स्ट मैसेज का कलर रेड कलर हो गया. उसके बाद मेरा कॉइन का विजिबिलिटी मैंने फॉल सेट कर दिया था, तो कॉइन भी इनविजिबल हो गया. एंड द थर्ड थिंग दैट आई डिड इज मैंने स्कोर को इंक्रीज करके 10 कर दिया था. So it is just being score is equal to 10. Yes. So all of those who have completed this as well and who have understood this, all those who are on your mobiles, just type I want my gold medal in the chat. Yes, Manav and Kushal. first rank won their gold medal. What about others? Nishu and Ankit also won their gold medal. Okay, Aman, Hardik, Ayush, very good. Great, good job, guys. Good job, everyone. And guys, even if you are not able to do it, it's okay. This was like just a 15-20 minute session. This way, I just wanted to give you a small idea कि exactly coding होता क्या है. Exactly what is giving instructions to the computer. And I think आधे से ज़्यादा तो तुमने ही code किया ना. मैं तुमको पूछ रही थी कि पॉइंट को इनविजिबल कैसे बनाते हैं, तो यू टोल्ड मी उसको फॉल्स कर दो. मैंने बोला कि स्टार्टिंग में स्कोर क्या रखेंगे, तो तुमने बोल दिया 0 रख दो. How did you know all of this? Because of logic, no. This is simple logic and reasoning, correct? So this is just one small example which I wanted you to just explore. So for those who have completed this and who have done this in their laptop, desktop or tablets, there is one more step that I want you guys to do in order to save this at your end. तो इतना गेम बना के रखा है, we will save it also, right? हमारी प्रोफाइल भी सेव करके रखते हैं so that you can share it with the rest of your friends and family. So how will you do that? Over here you see in the top, one second, my computer is lagging a little bit. Yes, in the top right hand side, can you see there is a remix button? Just click on the remix button and it will give you two options, login and remix. या फिर remix anonymously. We want to login and remix. As I said earlier, this is for home use. This is a free website. Nobody is going to charge you for creating your account over here. So just click on the remix button, select login and remix, and then click on login with Google या फिर register with Google. Google के साथ तुम्हारा one click में हो जाएगा. या फिर enter your username, password and everything. So this is how my tab will look like when I will remix the project. It will ask me to enter the project name. So I can just write points collision project or something like that. Yes, Aruni, you can name whatever games you want. Now if you just click on remix, now if you just click on remix, and you see there are two things that I get. मुझे एक QR code मिलता है and I get a QR code and I get a link also. So QR code is actually for your mobile phone. You can actually scan the QR code in your mobile phone and you will see the entire 3D world. So what we have created is actually a 3D game. And वो link तुम कहीं पे भी open करोगे, so you will be able to see this game. Okay. So how will you know if your project is saved in your profile or not? वो जो remix का button था, that will get changed to the update button. Yes, Usha, this is the part of 3D coding and VR, what we learned today. So yes, so the remix button will get changed to the update button. That means your project has been saved in your profile. Akshay, you can go in the design mode. Design में जाके you have different options in the design. You can go to 3D models and army. You can search for the jetpack and everything. And then you can add that also. See, I have different 3D models. There's Pikachu, Lion, this and that. So you can just explore the design and add the jetpack if you want. Okay. It is running in real time on our device. Okay, great. So for this next part, I want all of you guys to go and get your parents and give me a thumbs up once you have your parents with you. So I am giving you 10 seconds and counting down from 10. Yes, I can already see a few thumbs up. Karthik, thank you. So I'm starting my countdown, okay? 10, 9, 6. Come on, come on, come on. Quickly go get your parents. 5, 4, 3, 2. Come on, guys, quickly. I want more thumbs up. 1, 0.5,